Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best auto darkening welding helmet you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best auto darkening welding helmet in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is YesWelder Large Viewing Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Auto darkening filter switches at the moment of electricity arc appearing, with the principle of photoelectric. The darkness degree can be adjusted between DIN 9 and 13, a smart choice for safety. The knobs on both sides can adjust the angle, and the knobs on the back can adjust the width to suit different people's heads. Equipped with sensitivity and delay settings for adaptability for different environments and task durations. Enjoy enhanced visibility and color recognition. Light level of filter is DIN 4 and the time from dark to bright state within 0.1s to 1s.0s. Upgrading the welding helmet with true color technology preserves the existing highest 1112 optical clarity rating, improves visibility by reducing the lime green tint. Automotive, construction, and food and beverage manufacturing, metal production and fabrication, military maintenance, repair and operation, MRO, mining, oil and gas, transportation, etc. Package includes replacement sheet X2, leather gloves and welding helmet storage bag. Super valued. This welding hood auto darkening comes with the 3.62 inch by 1.65 inch clear visor viewing area. For details, let's watch more. Our second best auto darkening welding helmet is DeCorpo Auto Darkening Welding Welder. The welding hood is equipped with built-in sensitivity and delay settings. Adjust the shade state by turning the external knob of welding hoods. This auto darkening welding helmet adopts a true color design. It can reduce the green coloring when the filter darkens. The upgraded headband is no longer a constraint, which release you from a heavy burden. Our Casco Para solder not only protects the eyes, but also provides users with a more realistic and comfortable soldering experience. Buena Carreta de Soldar. Auto darkening welding helmet comes with a 3.54 by 1.38 inch clear viewing area. Welder helmet switches from light to dark in 1/15,000th of a second. Welder mask with true color view and 1/1/1/2 optical class. Welding helmet suitable for MMA, MIG, TIG, and plasma welding. Our welding hood auto darkening adopts a replaceable CR2032 lithium battery and welding mask solar powered. Adjust welder's helmet to grind state in place in a dark environment when Carreta's Para solder are not in use. Compared to traditional filters, true color technology maximizes the reduction of view blurring. By restoring the colors of the scene, you can see every detail of the welding work clearly. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is TRQWH Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. TRQWH Welding Helmet has top 1/1/1/2 optical clarity lenses with advanced true color technology, which improves visibility by reducing the traditional lime green color in the helmet view screen, allowing a true view of the weld seam and work area while reducing eye fatigue. In addition, this welding helmet is equipped with a USB port on top of the rechargeable LED light, even in the dark environment can also be easily welding. This auto darkening welding helmet is made of high quality PP material, which is impact resistant, flame resistant and tough. This true color welding helmet uses solar cells and CR2032 replaceable lithium batteries. The solar cells can absorb the strong light energy caused by the electric arc, thus extending the battery life. The lithium battery is replaceable. Welding helmet has a delay and sensitivity setting knob. You can adjust the most suitable settings for your work according to different work scenarios. DIN 4 in the light state, DIN 913 in the dark state. The most powerful is the TRQWH welding helmet has 2 arc sensors that can switch from light to dark in 1/20,000 seconds. The auto darkening filter is made of high quality liquid crystal and optical coating, which can resist 99% of the harmful light to the eyes. TRQWH welding helmet is ergonomically designed to provide ample internal space and easy to operate, with knobs on both sides to adjust the angle and knobs on the back to adjust the tightness of the headband to fit different people's heads. True color helmet is well made, ultra lightweight, thickened sponge on the forehead and ear area, absorbing sweat, anti-slip, breathable, protecting forehead and ears from harm, comfortable even for long hours of work. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Monster and Master Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. The design of the helmet conforms to ergonomic principles, and provides ample internal space, which makes it easy to operate and comfortable to wear. Provides better protection for welders with fast auto darkening time 1/15,000th of a seconds, stepless delay and sensitivity knob adjustable. 0.1s 1.0s recovery time. 2 arc sensors. External stepless dark color adjustment. Stepless sensitivity control adjustment. Self-test function and low voltage alarm. No LED light. The wide shade range is 9 to 13 covering most common welding, plasma cutting processes, great for TIG MIG MMA applications with grinding and cutting features. Durable, lightweight material is corrosion resistant and flame retardant, power by solar cell and lithium battery supports long-lasting working time and is quite eco-friendly. Recommended to automotive, construction, and food and beverage manufacturing, metal production and fabrication, military maintenance, repair and operation, MRO, mining, oil and gas, transportation, etc. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best auto darkening welding helmet list is Thulium Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Thulium large viewing screen welding helmet with true color technology creates a wide field of view, allowing the welder to have a higher field of vision and comfort. Restore every little detail in your work and allowing the welder to see clearly at different angles. The welding helmet has time delay and sensitivity setting knobs. You can adjust the most suitable setting for you according to different work scenarios while working. 4 ARC sensors switch from light to dark in 1/25,000th a second. In the event of electric failure, which can resist 99% of harmful light and prevents damage to your face. The adjustable knob allows you to choose the tightness that suits you, for a more comfortable fit. The inside of our welding hood is made of high-quality sponge, which absorbs sweat and is non-slip and breathable. Makes you feel more relaxed and comfortable while working. Using the solar cells and replaceable lithium battery. Large area solar cells can transform harmful arcs into electrical energy not only for longer life, but also provide support for energy conservation and environmental protection. For details, let's watch more.